What does the law say about passing the budget in Government House?
Well, you see, it all comes down to whether that place is a proper place to do it. You know, I'm not in a position to know whether it was properly done or not.
I don't understand.
You see, for purposes of making laws, the National Assembly, the State Assembly, as in the case of Rivers, will be the proper place. But where the people gathered and say, look, we have, you know, they have a right to make laws. Probably they passed a motion that say, look, we are now...
No, the budget was presented and passed the same day.
Yes. It could be done.
So the president can present the budget in Aso Rock and pass it the same day?
If the National Assembly moves, you see, the place of meeting, it's not like a church can be somebody's room, depending on the nomenclature we want to call the place. All we need to do is pass an enabling motion that enables us to respect that place as our hallowed chambers, where we can pass such laws.
What happens to separation of powers between the executive and the legislature?
Oh, the executive has not done I'm not making a case for them anyway, but they have not passed the law themselves. They presented it to the assembly members. Assembly members thought it fit. And this is why what is happening in Rivers State should not be happening. Allow different people, allow different strata, different systems, different sectors to play out. It takes time to get these things properly done. Allow the judiciary do their part, allow the legislators do their, allow the executive do their. Don't stay somewhere and be afraid. Because you're afraid of what they want to do, you now come to check it through an equally unacceptable means. It doesn't augur well for the future. And that is why you see this letter writing that is going on in the country.
Some of the members in the state say, look, that their standing order does not permit for such to be brought the same day, passed the same day, and they didn't even see any of those. If that were the case, is that correct?
You see, these orders can be suspended by one motion. You see, that's the...
Yeah, but there's no knowledge of the suspension of the order.
Well, then let them go to court. If you feel a law has been wrongly passed, or is oppressive, or it runs counter to your standing order as recognized by the Constitution, you go to court and have it set aside.